How to mute messages on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mute a direct message on TikTok. So go to your TikTok application. Now go to inbox and click on the paper plane up there. Choose the one you want to mute the conversation with. I'm gonna choose the first one. All I need to do is keep clicking on the screen and click on mute. Now I'm not gonna receive his message until I go to direct message and see it by myself. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.